Welcome dear students to Sanjeevani Education Group. So be ready to learn mathematics with me.
Good afternoon dear students. Today we'll see 4 standard integrals. First one, integration of tan x dx. Now student, we don't know that the function whose derivative is tan x. So we have to now derive what is the integration of tan x. Now we can write this tan x as the integration of sin x. Integration of tan x dx we can write as a integration of sin x upon cos x dx. Okay, now here if we'll put cos x equals to t, if we'll put cos x equals to t, we will get minus sin x dx equals to dt. Okay, so sin x dx equals to minus dt. Sin x dx equals to minus dt. So the integral will be integration of minus dt upon t. So we'll take minus sign, outside we'll write, so integration of 1 upon t dt. We know that derivative of log x is 1 upon x, but integration of 1 upon x is log of mod of x. Here the function is in t, so it will be minus log of mod of t. And what is t? T is nothing but cos x. Okay, so it will be minus log of mod of cos x. Now here we should write constant of integration plus c. Now cos we can write 1 upon sec minus log of mod of 1 upon sec x plus c. Now we know that log of a upon b is log a minus log b. So it will be minus of log of 1 minus log of mod of sec x plus c. Now log 1 is 0, so minus into 0, and it will be again 0, so minus plus log of mod of sec x plus constant of integration. Understood? Now so the integration of tan x dx is nothing but log of mod of sec x. Any doubt in this? The second one, integration of cot x dx. Here also we'll write cot x as cos x upon sin x dx. Now put sin x equal to t, so cos x dx equals to dt. So the integral will be integration of dt upon t. So it will be log of mod of t plus constant of integration. So it is equals to log of mod of sin x plus c. So the integration of cot x dx is log of mod of sin x. Understood? Now the third one is integration of sec x dx. Now here we'll multiply and divide by sec x plus tan x, because we know that derivative of sec x is sec x plus tan x. So we'll multiply and divide by sec x plus tan x upon sec x plus tan x. Now here we'll multiply with sec x inside, so it will be integration of sec square x plus sec x into tan x, whole thing divided by sec x plus tan x, sec x plus tan x. Now student, we know that derivative of tan x is sec square x and derivative of sec x is sec x tan x. So we'll put sec x plus tan x equals to t. So we are getting tan square x, we are getting sec square x derivative of tan x, and derivative of sec x is sec x into tan x equal dx equals to dt. So we have this term with this dx. So we have integration of dt upon t. So it will be again log of mod of t plus constant of integration. So it will be log of mod of sec x plus tan x plus constant of integration. Understood? So integration of sec x is log of mod of sec x plus tan x. Now the fourth one, integration of cosec x dx. Now here in the previous example we substitute sec x plus tan x equals to t, and we have multiplied here by sec x plus tan x and divided by the same term. Now here we'll multiply and divide by cosec x minus cot x. So it will be integration of cosec x into cosec x minus cot x whole thing divided by cosec x minus cot x. So it will be balanced after multiplying and dividing. So now we'll multiply inside, it will be cosec square x minus cosec x into cot x. Okay, whole thing divided by cosec x minus cot x. Now student, see here, derivative of cosec x is minus cosec x cot x, and derivative of cot x is minus cosec square x, and we can write derivative of minus cot x is cosec square x. So we have, now here we'll put cosec x minus cot x equals to t. So we'll get this term cosec x, means it will be minus cosec x into cot x plus minus cot x. Derivative of minus cot x is cosec square x dx equals to dt. So this integral will be integration of dt upon t. Getting? So it is equal to log of mod of t plus constant of integration, and t is log of mod of cosec x minus cot x plus constant of integration. Understood? So the integration of cosec x is log of mod of cosec x minus cot x. Integration of sec x is log of mod of sec x plus tan x. Integration of tan x is log of mod of sec x, and integration of cot x is log of mod of sin x. Understood?